What's going on, everybody? This is gonna give you guys an idea how this video is gonna look like. So firstly, I'll give a quick commentary of how to know when a stock is gonna push higher or not. I'll then go to explain how I applied that to two trades. Then lastly, I will include a quick clip of the live trading on MVIS and DGLY. So let's say you're looking at a stock that looks pretty bullish throughout the day, and you're wondering, can it push farther, perhaps break out of a certain resistance level or a previous high? And I'll just be direct when I say, if you buy into a stock and just hope it will push because you've seen patterns with intraday breakouts before, then in my opinion, you're playing a random game. You're playing a game of like holding and hoping. Some viewers of this video might not like what I just said right now, because it's probably what they've been doing. Therefore, it might seem kind of harsh what I just said. So before you shut this off completely, just let me give you a quick tip how to separate yourself from the crowd of 90% traders who lose money. One of the best ways to separate yourself from the crowd of losing traders is statistics. You need research statistics. This means you need to know the success rate of each pattern you play. You need to know which stocks will fit the successful outcome of that pattern and which stocks are fake outs. So researching success rates of patterns, like analyzing stocks, interpreting data, is something I do on a daily basis, which gives you a general idea how often you should study and research. So this one thing that I just told you will help you in your trading game. This is how I was able to profit on MVIS and DGLY in this live trading video. So I'll be giving access to my statistical research this month, actually. So in about a week or so, I'll make an update on this YouTube channel on how to get access to my statistics that I've been researching on a daily basis. And a detailed outline of my trading strategies. It won't be found on YouTube, so stay tuned how to get access to this. But moving on to my two trades, both trades, MVIS and DGLY, they weren't the same patterns, but I did have stats on both these patterns, and that's why I was able to profit on both of them. So for example, the research that I had on the MVIS pattern, that I'll show soon, it suggested that it had a success rate of 64%. But once I interpreted the data that I found and applied certain criteria to it, I increased those odds to 82% success rate. So that's an example of what I'll be giving access to very soon. But the DGLY trade had two specific signs in that intraday chart that I applied, and that's why I was able to profit on that. However, on both of these trades were somewhat skeptical because they just didn't fit everything to a T, which is the case sometimes with trading. You just had to deal with it. So I decided not to enter in on a full position, so I took a less aggressive approach to it and was able to approximately gain around like 8 or 9% on MVIS and about approximately 5% on DGLY. So stay tuned for this live trading. So I'm in on MVIS at 222 right there. I didn't go aggressive on this one. I don't have a full position. But I am holding for the breakout here. I would love to get rid of my shares somewhere in the 240s. DGLY I picked up at 348. I would not mind selling for 20-cent profit. I'm juggling kind of between two different stocks right now because I have a position in DGLY and MVIS. Both of them are at key levels at the same time pretty much. I mean, two different patterns, but they're pretty much acting together in sequence in terms of key levels. So I'm just trying my best right now to multitask between the both of them. So I was seeing a little bit of weakness in DGLY, but then it kind of faked me out. I got out at 363, in at 348. I was trying to get filled at 369, but there was a little fake out on the 2-minute candle right there. I thought it was going red, so I got out. DGLY about like 5% gain, something like that, roughly, give or take. Alright, so I just got filled. I sold my position at 240. Got out for a nice 8 or 9% profit. DGLY, I exited that for a nice roughly 5% profit. 363, now it's down to the 350s. I don't know, it could probably keep going up, but I just wanted to keep it safe. Wasn't aggressive on either one of those trades. So that was some trading on those two stocks. So if you want to know how I did that, how I knew when to get in, when to get out, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button in order to stay tuned when I'll be releasing that information on how to get access to that. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.